Hi cartoon friends, welcome back to Margaret Cranes's Cartoon Workshop, Lesson 2. In our last lesson, I taught you how to create character faces. This time, we're going to put bodies onto our characters. So grab a piece of paper or a sketchbook and your biros, pencil or a marker, and let's get started. Hi cartoon friends, have you got your paper and pencils ready? So to begin today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cartoon character with its body. And the character that I've decided to create is Skater Boy with some attitude. Let's begin. So first, draw your head shape. Then the next step, put your eyes somewhere in the middle. And a little nose. He's got an interesting nose. Remember, all noses can be any different shapes and sizes. And then we're going to put his ears in. And his ears, remember from last week, are in line with the eyes. Next, I'm going to give him a bit of a grrr attitude mouth and some attitude eyebrows. He's got it happening. And now some hair. He's got a bit of a funky hairstyle, which I'm going to colour in. Going to give him a little bit of a fringe. There we go. The next step, we're going to give him a body. Now, for his body shapes are generally sort of squarish. So I'm going to give him a bit of a square-shaped body. And he's going to be wearing a t-shirt, so I'm going to give him a rounded neckline. Then I'm going to give him some shorts. And I might just make his t-shirt come out a bit. There we go. And then I'm going to put his little legs on, and he's going to be leaning on his skateboard, 1 foot forward. So leaning forward. He's going to have just little rounded shaped feet. We're going to keep it really simple. And his back leg's a bit straighter, because he's trying to balance on his skateboard. And then I'm going to put his skateboard on. He's going to be standing on his super duper amazing skateboard. How cool's that? And what else does a skateboard need? Wheels. If it doesn't have wheels, then it's probably a surfboard or a snowboard. Next, he's balancing. He's trying to balance, so his arms are out straight. Let's push his arms out straight. He's got some little spaghetti fingers. We're keeping it all simple. Little t-shirt line, and his other arms up. He's like, whoa, let's keep on trying to balance here. Bit of a t-shirt, there we go. And I'm going to give him, he's got attitude, so his t-shirt's going to have attitude. He's going to have a skull on his t-shirt. Yay. And then he's going to have some patterns on his really trendy little shorts. Have some little square pattern. You can put any pattern that you want on his shorts. He's pretty cool. And then we want to have him so that he looks like he's standing on the ground or skating on the ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to show that he's got on the ground. And what we do is we put a line behind him, and that's called the horizon line. And look, now it looks like he's standing on the ground. We're going to put a few little dots. That shows that it's the ground. Then he's going to have some little speed marks because he's so fast. His arms are swinging out. There we go. There, now we have Skater Boy. Now the next character I thought we'd draw was a hula hooping trendy girl. So let's start by again drawing her face. So a simple shape. There we go. Then I'm going to put in her hairline to make it a little bit easier so we know about where her eyes are going to be. There's her hair. So her eyes are around about again in the middle of her face. Tiny little wee nose. And she's really happy. Hula hooping's so much fun. Whoa, let's give her a bigger smile. And some eyebrows to give her a bit more of a smiley face. Then we're going to give her some pigtails. Woo! Here we go. What else have we forgotten? Ears. So her ears are in line with her eyes. Remember that? Now we're going to give her her body. Her body is going to be a bit of a triangular shape because we're going to give her a dress. Then we're going to give her a little neckline, little rounded neckline. And her arms are going to be up in the air because she doesn't want to hit that hula hoop, and she's also trying to do some balancing. So up her arms go in the air. There's her t-shirt and her tiny little fingers. And her other arm. There we go. Next, I'm going to give her some little legs, and she's going to be wearing little pants underneath her dress. There's her little feet. So she's just got tiny little rounded shoes. There we go. Little rounded shoes. Oops, rub that out. Made a bit of a boo-boo there, but that's all right. So remember, you can work very easily starting off when you are drawing. If you're not sure, you can work with your grey lead pencil, and then you can go over it with a marker. So again, we're going to give it a little horizon line so we know that she's standing there on the ground. Here we go, little horizon line, little dots to show that she's on the ground. And next, I'm going to give her her hula hoop. She needs to be hula-ing. There we go. And I make it a little bit wider. She's got a bit of a fatter hula hoop. Here we go. She's hula-ing. And I'm going to give her some little speed marks because she's going pretty fast. Her little hula hoop is defying the forces of gravity. And I'm going to put a little tiny decoration on her dress. I'm going to give her a little flower. Make her dress look really pretty. And you can colour this all in later on if you want. So there you have it. You've learned how to draw a character with its body and some little accessories. I hope you've enjoyed things with me today. Bye, kids.